Oh,
dumb.
I found there's straight across right there.
I need to see the ones up in the sky moving up in the sky. Can't see them.
Do this.
Dude, I don't know who's crazy enough to be driving out at night.
Holy crap. I can see the rain.
Yeah, of course.
I can't. Where the hell that one's flashing?
It's going somewhere else though, flashing.
I think it's up there where the trees pop up.
There's way too much lightning. And
Well,
it's
this
also
is the
raining
closest
all
they'll
around.
ever
Whoa.
get.
I just saw rain.
It's scary because I mean you're not going.
Oh shit!
Did you
I
get
didn't see
that?
that one. I didn't see that
Yeah,
one. I didn't see that
I'm
one.
recording.
Okay, show me later.
That was huge.
Shh, just hear the thunder.
Holy fuck.
That freaking shook the ground.
That didn't shake the ground.
No, it did. I felt it.
There was
The
no
roaring
force
thunder.
in there. Shh. It'd be funny if I stayed up all night just watching this. Usually up in where the tree is.
I hate the fact that you guys open the window so wide.
Sorry, but we can't really
It's
see it.
scary, okay?
Look at there.
What if something just
Oh.
pop out?
Watch, this one's gonna shake the ground. Not the thundering roar. No, I didn't really hear it or feel it.
I don't know why it's even raining when it's summer.
It's still spring.
It is?
It's not even summer yet.
Yeah, it's not
summer
even
break
summer
the bell. That's summer. Oh shit.
That one sounded really close.
Sun's just about right
Above our house.
It sounded more like over there.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Can't take them down, Brandon. Okay, turn, let's go.
Yeah.
We gotta go closer.
Got to see one.
I want to see one lightning.
Yeah, a good one.
But that would quite have a good one, girl. When go look, go down, look back, and go
Whoa.
take boom. Like look like 3 lightnings combined.
Stop the gun too.
Sorry.
There's too much light, so.
But who will sleep with? I'm scared. Oh, did I see that?
There was one in the tree. Why are you scared?
Cause it's freaking thundering and lightning.
Yeah, I'm scared of thunder and lightning.
Same here.
I'm scared of lightning, but then I'm not scared of thunder as much.
Raining heck hard now.
Okay, dude, come on, let's go.
I still want to see.
Oh! 2 strikes in a row.
You guys had a fun?
Oh yeah.